So I've made a little bit more progress on my shop, and I wanted to show you what I've done so far. Got the top on my workbench. So here's the long view of my workbench. We'll start over here. I have the plywood on top. I've used 5/8" plywood, and I've got 2x4 construction underneath that. Here you see my table that I built. So I'm picking that thing up. So there's the table that I built. It has a leg that we can drop down right here. Makes a really nice table saw. Gives you more room in a little shop. Down here, little chop saw station. My grinder. And down I've got my vise down here. And so, you know, this is a pretty nice little shop. On this side, I have storage for camping, car stuff. And then on the other side of the shop, what I've done is I've taken these entertainment centers. Aren't those gorgeous? Remember how we used to put our TVs in those entertainment centers? And now I use this for my tools. I've got some painting supplies and some other supplies in here. And on this side, got a number of my different, this is my drill section and a sander and some other saws, different tools down there. And little pull-out drawers to put things on. Down here, there's nothing yet down there. And then I actually have a second one because people are getting rid of these things. They don't know what to do with them. They're nice. I actually built this one. And this is, I got my plumbing tools and my carpentry tools. And in here, we've got nice shelves to hold some of my nail guns and drills and grinder and so on. And down here, we've got a Sawzall. And so, you know, it's set up pretty nice. And I've got place right now to hang my tools and my extension cords, and you can see the extension cord hangers on this side over here. And then as you open the door, we have a filling station, or we have a compressor station, and I built a little holder for my different air tools that I have. So that's the tour of my shop. And we're continuing to make it better. Oh, yeah, I forgot. That's right. Now we put up these holders on the wall, and I'm starting to put tools up there. Got one on both sides. I've carried these metal things around for a number of years. My son gave me these, and I just carried around and finally found a place to put them. And this is the shack the dentist built. That's a wrap.